Imagine a world of passion, intrigue, and vibrant culture. A world filled with fiery exchanges, tender moments, and dramatic twists. What if I told you that all this and more is wrapped up in the seemingly simple act of a kiss on the cheek? Welcome to the captivating world of a Mexican soap opera, where every gesture carries weight and every glance tells a story. In the heart of this vibrant world, we find our key players, a mother, a daughter, and the mystery of a kiss on the cheek. The day was like any other, the sun high in the sky, casting long shadows on the cobblestone streets. A kiss was exchanged, a cheek was caressed. But was it all as innocent as it seemed? The kiss, while commonplace, was given at an unusual time. The sun was at its zenith, a time when most were at work or home, away from prying eyes. Yet, here they were, in public, under the harsh glare of the midday sun. What could have prompted such a bold move? Could it have been a simple act of affection, or was there something more sinister at play? The frequency of the kiss raises further questions. Was this a one-time occurrence or a regular ritual? Was it a sign of deep affection or a symbol of a clandestine relationship? Then there's the mother's call. Why did she ring at that precise moment? Was it coincidence or a calculated move to interrupt the moment? And what of her tone? Did it carry a hint of suspicion, or was it laced with innocent concern? And what of the others? Were they merely bystanders, or were they involved in this tangled web of intrigue? Were they from Tijuana, known for its vibrant nightlife and bustling streets? Or were they from Jalisco, the land of tequila and mariachi, where tradition runs deep and secrets are often whispered in hushed tones? These are the questions that form the backbone of our tale, the threads that weave together to create the rich tapestry of a Mexican soap opera. It's a world where a kiss on the cheek isn't just a kiss, but a symbol, a message, a statement. It's a world where every action has a consequence, and every word carries weight. So, the next time you watch a Mexican soap opera, remember, it's not just about the drama and the passion. It's about the subtle nuances, the unspoken words, and the unsolved mysteries. It's about the kiss on the cheek and the questions it leaves unanswered. It's about the thrill of the unknown and the joy of unraveling the mystery, one episode at a time. So sit back, relax, and immerse yourself in the vibrant world of a Mexican soap opera, where every kiss has a story to tell, and every story is a journey into the heart of Mexican culture.